Today we are looking at finding tens to add many numbers. Today we will learn how to find tens to add many numbers. Addition strategy. Find friendly numbers. When you are adding many numbers together, you can try and find groups of 10. So for the equation 15 plus 15 plus 10, we can look at first adding some tens together. So 10 plus 10 is 20. And then we can look in the ones place and see if there are any groups of 10. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we'll add that 10 together. And then we have one last 10 at the end of our equation. And when we add 20 plus 10 plus 10, we get 40. Here's another example. We're going to add our tens together this time, not necessarily right next to each other. We have 10 and 10, and that makes 20 also. And then we are looking for another group of 10. When we get 9 plus 1, we also make 10. And then we can add our 20 into the equation again. And we have 20 plus 10 plus 20, and that makes 50. It works well even with more numbers. Here we have 14 plus 13 plus 16 plus 17. We're looking for a group 10. So with 4, I know that 6 and 4 make 10. So there is one group of 10. And then 3 and 7 also make a group of 10. So I will add those together to get another 10. And now I can add my tens into the equation. I have 10 and 10, make 20, and another 10, and 10 make another 20. And when I add 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20, I get 60. You can also do this with your numbers lined up in a column. So first we'll start with our ones, and we'll add 6 plus 4, which also makes 10. And 2 plus 8 makes another 10. And we put those two tens together, and we record that partial sum underneath as 20. When we look over on our 10 side, we see that 1 10 and 2 tens makes 3 tens, or 30. And 2 tens and 2 more tens makes 4 tens, which is 40. And we can record 40 and 30 as 70 and as another partial sum. And lastly, we would add all of our numbers together and get 90. 20 plus 70 is 90. So that is how you find tens to help add many numbers